Back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and today I have a collaboration, and this is a company I have collabed with in the past, and this is Hairphocas. Okay, I have a full Hairphocas playlist down below. You can get Hairphocas on Amazon, and most of their wigs are very inexpensive, in the $20 range, and this one is no different. I'll put all the deets down below. I have included all the clips of how I got her to look like this after. Let's just go through what you get and the deets of the wig. So Hairphocas wigs comes in this white packaging, comes with a wig cap, and that's what it comes with. This wig here is, it's like a long, it says it's 19 inches. Yeah, it could be 19 inches. It says it's 19 inches long, dark brown. I would put it in the number 4 range. It's not super dark, so that is nice. It has a non-textured hair feel. I wouldn't call it silky, like it's silkier, but I wouldn't call it like a fine textured hair. It's definitely, versatile, multicultural. I'd put it more in non-textured, maybe, you know, like Caucasian type hair. However, it's definitely versatile. This is a full cap wig. It does have one comb right here at the front, and then there's no combs in the back, but there are adjustable straps. I did have to adjust it quite a bit, so this is a very large wig cap. I wasn't originally going to use the comb, but it reminds me a lot of my Motown tress wigs, where it's big this way, but from here, like this is the wig cap here, from here to here, it's a little bit shorter. So keep that in mind. Wig cap is very comfortable. There is some, you know, velvety fabric on the inside. You'll see that when I show the wig cap. So if you have any scalp issues, alopecia, if you have any treatments that you have a sensitive scalp, this would be a good wig. Okay, so pros, I actually really like this wig. It reminds me of the blonde one that I reviewed, and you can see that in the playlist. My only thing is there's two things. It's like the way that this is curling in. I feel like I would maybe want to just take a flat iron so that this side is just like this side, where it's just this nice sort of flat ironed with a little bump in. I think that would be pretty. This is mostly from like how it's packaged and shipped. The only other thing is I'm not getting a lot of shedding or anything like that, not getting a ton of tangling. You can set the bangs wherever you want. I feel like in the picture, her bangs are in the center. I did her more of a right-sided part. I did have to take heat to these hairs here, because for me, I like to train the hairs to go back here, because I feel like then there's not so much hair in the front, and it does take away like some of the wigginess if the hairs are trained how they would normally go. My only qualm is this: when wigs are sort of wavy, but then the bangs are like, hey. So I feel like I would want to just bump a little bit, just take a little bit on the edge, so that they sort of stay, and I hate bangs on my face anyway, so they sort of stay, and then they would go up a little bit, just so it matches the rest of the wig. That's my only thing, is like these random straight bangs. It's not even just them, like so many companies do that, and it's really annoying. No! But other than that, she's comfortable. I think she's super cute. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, I'm liking her from the back. Oh, she would look so cute like this. Let's just try it out. Oh my gosh. So cute. I like it clipped up that way. What do you think? Just nice, easy, of course, spraying the bangs. I would need a bigger clip, but it's just like nice and easy. Lickety quickety. Yeah, I'm into it. I'm into it. I'm into it. I'm in. Okay, that is what I have for this wig. I really like it up. I might just wear this wig. So I want to do a huge thank you to Hairphocas because they have partnered with me so many times, and I'm very, very appreciative, and I really do like their wigs. You know, the wigs are what they are. These are inexpensive wigs. These are full cap wigs. Some people really need a full cap wig. I've been working with some people who are going through some cancer treatments, and they can't wear a lace front. It's uncomfortable. They need a full cap wig. So, you know, I often get comments about wigs that are less expensive, or maybe people deem them as cosplay, but I feel like they can work. Everybody has a different budget, everybody has different wants, everybody has different needs, everybody has different preferences. So I just want everybody to keep that in mind. When I am reviewing the wigs, I'm reviewing the wigs for all of the people that watch. So some of them may not be for you, and that's totally cool. Some of them may not even be for me, and that's totally cool. But that's what we're here for, is to review a multicultural based wig review channel. Maybe I need to start saying that. So what's gonna work for you is not gonna work for everybody else. So if this is something you are interested in, yeah, check it out. Most of the wigs that I do not keep in my permanent collection, I do sell on Poshmark. Link is down below. You can also find it. It's at Everyday Monet. That's my Poshmark name, so you can find stuff on my Poshmark. Yeah, I really am digging this. I just need to spray because I just hate bangs in my face. Some people don't care, I care, okay? That's my preference. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If there's another wig from Hairphocas you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If there is anything else you'd like me to do on this channel, put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.